What's up, everyone? It is Friday, and yeah, as I see, there is already really beautiful order block tap. So let's get right into it. So here we tapped into this area. That was beautiful. I just want, as soon as possible, let's see, do we have some market structure shift? Yes, we have actually. We have market structure shift right in here. We have 50%. Nope. So all we need now is 50% tap, and yeah, we are good to go. Let's check out eurusd as well. Do we have something? Yeah, with eurusd it's not that good looking. So we have kind of this order block in here. Yeah, momentum is going down, but also, you know, we hit at the main target here. We hit already the main order block, so I don't see any reason why we should go lower. In here, that would have been nice if main target is not hit yet, and we are going towards that. But yeah, gbpusd looks like we are about to get this trade in here. Yeah, momentum is going up, but also let me put this order block in here. Here it is also order block. Yep, let's. Here we have order block in here, and we have order block in here as well. Actually, you know, I don't remove this. So this is the order block with eurusd, but to be honest, gbpusd I see right now really clearly that we may have this trade when we go back in here, get the next signal. We already got the signal in here, which means that this market structure shift is confirmed, signal is confirmed. Now we need just pull back, and yeah, then we can get the trade. Let me quickly make a screenshot of this, and meanwhile let's wait for this pullback. Let me update you in here as well. Yeah. So yeah, this is what is going on. eurusd, like I said, I don't really like how it looks, because we already kind of tapped this main target already. So yeah, main target tapped. That's usually not good. Of course, previous day low would be a nice target as well. But yeah, it's also funny that the eurusd and gbpusd today, like, completely different way. gbpusd is already in here, so this will be like maybe more confluence for me that we actually want to go lower, or just eurusd went too far low. but yeah, and also if we hit this order block first before our entry, then I don't want to enter anymore. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, then I would look for buy entries actually, if we hit that one first. But yeah, let's see what's going to happen. Most recent. So this is the thing as well. I try to trade with the flow, or like with momentum. So like recent momentum is definitely up, but as of overall you can see that we're actually inside the range. So sells or buys both will be valid. eurusd looks like, let's just hypothetically see if you would have some entry. So here we had this break, here we had tap, just that was before our session time. But let's just see if we would catch 5 pips in here, just hypothetically. This trade, if that would happen, maybe yeah, I don't know. Also, like, we hit at the main target, so I would rather stay out here. But just hypothetically, let's see. Let me have closer look. Okay, now gbpusd, we can swipe our, so swipe us out here because yeah, we didn't catch it. Now we are actually looking for buys. So there's like, you know, two kind of buyers. Up here we're looking for sells, down here we're looking for buys. So both options available. eurusd also went here, just it was before our session. I don't know, like recently there is like so much unluck. Of course, when we have like 100% days wind this month, we can't say that we are unlucky, but we also we have missed like half of positions and trades, what will be winners. So but I you know, it's just trading. It's just you're going to always miss something and so on. That's why it's really important to have like really good backtest, when you don't lie to yourself, but you're backtesting, you know, real way. So that way you know, like I can put in backtest in here that hey, I would, you know, take this trade, because in reality I know that this is not my trading time, so I wouldn't, you know, get this trade. But yeah, looks like it would be really nice to get some entry. Like if, like perfect case scenario, this would have been pullback, we would have entered here, 7 pips easily, already like 15 done. So yeah, that hurts when we miss the trades, when we miss the setups. But now we have chance to get buys, so let's see what we will get. Let's check out the eurusd as well. With the eurusd I don't want any trades from here, because we already tapped in here. This is not the first tap. From here maybe, but here is no like internal order blocks as well, so eurusd I would just leave it alone. And looks like this target could be also like daily lows, previous day lows. Let's see if gbpusd will do some structure and break this structure. That will be perfect case scenario. Yeah, this week we only have 1 win actually, so we don't have a lot of trades. But yeah, on average we will get 3 setups per week. You are in the gbpusd sell. Where you sold from here, from the top. I guess here signal was okay. Okay, so let's see if you were in. By the way, it was great trade. It was just before our session. Tapped here like perfectly. Where would be final target? Your TP1 should be hit right now. Stop loss to break even, and now for the take profit too. Actually, this order block, I would already close it. But if you want some more, let's go back to the 1 minute. let's just put this trade in here. So stop loss doesn't matter. 7 pips, 7.5 would be hit in here, and yeah, this would be next target 15. So yeah, like if you want to be sure, I would close right now because this was, you know, the target. But if you want to catch like whole move, then previous day low, so 30 pips. But I would more say I would just close it, because you know, you never know. You already made money, that's great. If you risk 2%, you made more than 2% already. So yeah, that was great trade. That was great trade if you took it. Just yeah, happened before our session. Actually lately, when I backtested, I see that like 10 a.m. is really like my 10 a.m. like Central European time, 9 a.m. Previously it has been really good time, but for some reason this year, like 30 minutes before, you know, a lot more happening. So yeah, but yeah, from here I would love to see some movement to the upside. Yeah, but I hope we catch some market structure shift first. I don't know here. I don't know. I wouldn't say that this is market structure shift. We need one more pullback, then break it, and then we are good to go. But yeah, if you take it as just signal play, then for sure this, if this candle closes red, green, then it could be your entry. This could be your entry for sure then. Yeah, let's see, maybe we will get some confirmation as well. Not sure about the buys. Let's see. So what will be my take on the buys? It's actually like just momentum play. We had momentum up, so we are like, you know, momentum is shifted upwards. Also, like why I will take this sell, because there is like some range going on, so I can't say this is all up or all down. So for example, like if I go to this trade what we had in here we can clearly say that it just everything went down. There was no reason to buy in here. It was just like going upwards. But in here we didn't break. That's yes, clear. But here, look here, we have here. So we here we went lower. We had some highs. We had some range, and we broke it. So that will be my bias for the buys, that internally we actually have shifted. Yes, we didn't break the main high, but we have shown some interest. For example, in here, but like let's just assume that this was our time and here was our order block. In here to catch buys, really risky because we have no confirmation. But after that move, we already have the confirmation that yes, we show some buy side. Of course, minus side will be that we already hit that order block in here. So we already kind of hit the target, but also we have you know, a lot of new targets in here. Of course, overall trend is down, that's for sure. So yeah, but yeah, it won't be and no, it's not because of a 1 minute market structure shift, but it won't be for sure like some A plus play. Yeah, this actually this sell would be A plus play because everything went, you know, overall trend is down. If I check this indicator, it shows that yes, bigger turn trend is down, and yeah, we wanted to have those cells. Let me go back to the 1 minute. Let's see. Now we have some structure. Now we have some sweep in here as well. So when we break this area, I would look for 50% entries. But as I said, it won't be like A+ setup. I try to not catch only A+ setups, because previously I have seen that I know that like those really good setups works out really well as well. If you're only looking for A+ setups, then we will get like 2 trades per month maybe. But yeah, I know that those setups will work out well. And yeah, worst case scenario, we just don't break it. That's why I want this market structure shift entries now, because then I can confirm. Otherwise I would be in here with the buys. Like it would be nice to confirm that, you know, market really wants to shift the structure, we get the pullback, and it'd be way better that way. So let's see if we can catch it. Update. Let's see if we can catch it. eurusd, yeah, eurusd. I don't know, today I don't like it. I don't like it. But gbpusd has some possibility here, so let's see. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's check out 15 minutes once more. Yeah, it looks like double bias. Sells from here was really good, but I don't mind the buys as well, because this is actually the overall level of support. Yeah, one thing only, this previous day low is quite clear target for us. But let's see how we play it out. If we have a nice market structure shift, then it's good to go. When we have yeah, okay, another question about new cells. Yes, I would sell in here as well. Yeah, that cell was definitely more promising what we already had. But in that case, if you would like to have some cells, I would say that if we break this previous day low, then I wouldn't like to have any cells anymore. But if this is still open, we have clear target. We have clear target here, previous day low. And buy case, it's the same. We have clear target in here. So if we go to the 1 minute, we have both ways targets. Of course, when we first hit this order block, then I don't like the buys anymore. But you know, if we have clear target, that would be best case scenario. Yeah, it would be really nice if we have some like market structure shift right now, 50% entry, and we catch at least this one, and now we have the same thing in here. We enter here and we can target 10 previous day lows. So it would be the perfect case scenario. But yeah, it's just I would say it's right now kind of rangy conditions. Also, you can see that if I go back to the 50-minute, that eurusd and gbpusd is kind of similar pairs. So in here, gbpusd hit this level right here, this final push. eurusd didn't, but they also ended up at the same place. So that's maybe like some next level plays, but I know that there is some banking strategies that those correlating pairs, they will see that okay, eurusd is too low, gbpusd is really high, so probably either eurusd is going upwards more or gbp is going downwards. So they can like buy one asset, sell one asset, they can clear this up, and yeah, that would be the case. But maybe that will be like whole another thing. So yeah, this order blocks, let's see if this order block is still valid. Probably yes, less than 5 pips. I measured it as a 5 pips. If 5 pips is hit, I don't want it anymore. In today's case, actually we have this previous day low, which is looking really good in here. So yeah, if we tough day today, yeah, on one side, if we hit this one, something like this, and we get our entry in here, like that's really powerful confirmation that we start going upwards from here. Now you can see why I like those entries, confirmed entries, because somewhere around here would have been our entry. Yes, 15 pips is still valid, but still we have this unnecessary drawdown right now. So yeah, that's why I would like to see some confirmations that we go upwards from here. Okay, eurusd, today we don't have quite anything. Let's see in here. I will definitely set alarm in here, so we will see. I will set alarm from previous day low close. It doesn't mean that I will enter buys there, it's just too far away. And the eurusd wise, I have only I will actually delete everything, so it will be cleaner. And with eurusd, it is either this or that order block, but I would say I would aim for a higher order block like this. So those are the levels we should keep eye on. Let me make a screenshot as well. And yeah, so yeah, that would be it for me today. What would be the plays? Yeah, if you break it, okay, that's really far away. Probably now sells. Buys, I would say no, it's already exceeding this order block. So yeah, I will close this one. It was, yeah, it's also like this trade management wise, what you asked, I would still have closed it in here. That was a good like decision. It's 50-50 that we are start going upwards from here. So and another like bolder take profit would be previous day lows, but I personally would close it anyway as fast as possible. So I would still say that from here to here, that was yeah, you shouldn't, because you never know, like maybe you take only 5 pips and it will go like 50. So you never know. But if you just know your like specific area, that from here to here I want to catch the trade, that will be fine. What happened before or after or whatever, it doesn't matter. We have some pullback, let's just watch what we have. Yeah, yeah. I would say like now I would aim for sells. Really unclear day. Today is also a lot of news, so keep in mind that as well. Let's check our news calendar. We have in 30 minutes. Oh, we had GBP news. We had, or we are going to have in 50 minutes euro news. In 1 hour we have GBP news as well. So we have a lot of news. That's why maybe market is acting that way, that there's no bias. It's just like everywhere. So as of overall, I would looking for clean setups only. That one, what you just take, that was clean. If that would be the only setup you took today, like let's like let it be that way. And yeah, I will update you here as well. Let me remove this one and make new screenshot. So yeah, today it would be yeah, for buys it would be nice to sweep the lows. That's why I don't like the buys anymore. And also, if we sweep the lows, order block was too far away. So buys kinda out of the play right now. Sells would be still nice, or we get some new thing. So so yeah, here we don't have. I wouldn't. Do we have order block? It's not clear. Nope, we don't. I would rather not take it. But yeah, we have only those cells to wait for right now. Let's see, maybe market will play something out. But yeah, for today, that's it from my side. Trade safely. We have a lot of news today, so trade safely. If you don't catch any trades, don't worry about it. Like, you know, if you already took this sell, take profit. That was beautiful. If everything else is unclear, just let it be that way. Don't overtrade. That would be the worst case scenario. Don't overtrade. Trade only really clear setups, what you will see. And yeah, that will be it for me. So have a nice weekend if you don't join New York session, and we will see you on Monday. Bye bye.